Today we're going to show you this two-tier console table that will set up in a master bathroom. Currently we're just unboxing it and you can see all the board pieces are very well packaged. Each piece comes with all the holes pre-drilled so you won't need to have any special tools to put this table together. And these are the two legs that will go on either side of the console table. These are also pre-drilled. And what I'm also noticing is that each piece of board is numbered, which I assume is going to make it easier when following the assembly instructions. And speaking of, we found this sheet with the packaging showing all the pieces you are supposed to get with the console table, including the different screws, nuts, and bolts. And here they all are, neatly packaged in their own separate little baggies. Each bag is also labeled with a letter, and they even include an Allen key for you. The fact that all the parts are labeled will definitely help with the assembly. And here's the assembly instructions. As predicted, each step has a corresponding diagram that lets you know which pieces go together, so you know exactly which board and which screws need to be attached. And with that said, here's the console table fully assembled. It took about 45 minutes to assemble the whole thing together. The instructions were bang on, very clear. The only tool we needed to pull out of our own toolbox was a screwdriver because not all the screws could be tightened with the Allen key they provided. Other than that, the assembly was a breeze, and they even gave us a few extras of each screw. This table is extremely stable and it fits perfectly with more than ample table surface to place everything needed for the bathroom.